Alright, so we're going to build this in Minecraft, and we're going to work on this one right here, this gate right here, and which means I will have to include this inverter right here from C, so this inverter and this gate, and we'll do these three switches right here. So I'm going to go to create a world. Actually, I could just go to view my world. I have a land of grass already anyway. So wait for your land to load. There we go. Now, you should never do electronics in the rain. Just kidding. Alright, doesn't matter. Anyway, here we go. So the first thing is we're going to do is we're going to put three levers, and these will be our A, B, and C right here. And we're going to do that one gate. So I need an AND gate. I'll put it over here somewhere. Give yourself a little bit of room, because this stuff is bulky, you know. So I'm going to need that AND gate right here, and it has one torch here in the middle, an AND gate, and AND gate has the two torches here, and do not forget the redstone powder in between. And of course it's got the two inputs right here, right? Now if we go back to this right here, we're going to do this one here. And so I need to run one of the wires from A, and I'll do that now. That's going to be quite easy. Escape, there we go. And so, remember, I have A, B, and C. If you don't want to forget which one's which, I would definitely probably put a sign maybe next to each one. So this says A, and this one says B. And this one's, oh, there we go, it says C. So that way you know which is which. And then, I got lost for a second. And then, here we go, I'm going to run this one to A. I overshot it a little bit. There we go. So that's going to be A. And then this one, what is that one going to be? So I just did A. You can see that I just literally ran one to A. This one is going to C right here, but it does go through this inverter before, so it's going to come all the way through an inverter from C, because this one is A, not C right here. So it's got to be that way. So C is way over here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and run my powder. Oh, but I need an inverter. Remember, an inverter is nothing more than this right here. That's an inverter. Let's see, I just want to make sure. There we go. So there's my inverter. I'm done with that gate. Now I'm going to show you how you would start the next one, and there's a reason why I'm showing you. Let's say I'm going to do this one next, right here. So it's going to be A naught, A is going to go through an inverter just like C did, and then go to a gate, then C gets to go directly to it. So pretty much, let's say my AND gate is going to go right here. I'm going to put it over here, give myself a little room, and I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to show you why I'm doing this as an example, because this is really important. Here's your two inputs. Oops. Here's your two inputs. Now, one of them is coming from C right here. Not here. That's not C right here. That's not C. We want C right here. So, oh, look at that. I got C. Do you guys see how I just steal it from off to the side? You don't need to go directly to the switch. You can just come over to a line that is C. Look at that, lined up perfectly. I got a little lucky there. Alright, so there's C, but what's the other one supposed to be? A naught, right? This one has to be inverted, correct? How do I get that from here to here? Here's where students will make mistakes. They'll just start going, oh, I need an A naught, no problem. You know what? I will just run it over here, and I'll just go this way. That's where you made a mistake right there. You cannot connect it there. You cannot connect it right to this line. This one is a different line. That's not C. I need this A to go over here and invert, then go in here. So you will have to build a bridge over it or dig underneath. So you'll have to build a bridge like this. You guys see that? And so you'll have to do that. Otherwise the two wires touch. And they're not supposed to touch. How come I can't do that? Wait, you can't turn like that, huh?
Go on top of the block.
What?
Put it on top of the block.
Oh, first?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, there we go. Thank you. Okay, so I put it on top of the block first. Yeah, I need a MineCraft coach. Now, now we need to invert it. Remember, because it's supposed to be not A. And I got to put an inverter here. And then I can keep going with my redstone powder. Now it's not A. Boom, done. And see, it doesn't touch. It goes over it. So you'll have to do that. You cannot let the wires touch if they're not supposed to. You can tell if they're supposed to touch. For example, please look closely at this. Let me see if I can zoom into this thing. Please, no, don't let me. Nope, I don't see a zoom in. Well, the point is here. Notice these do not touch. Yeah, they look like they're touching, but they're not. You know they are when you see this dot right here. You see that dark dot? That means there's a connection there. They are supposed to be touching. If you don't see that little dark dot there, like a little dark bubble, then you know they're not supposed to be touching when the wires cross. So that is it, folks.